Welcome to DS Documentary. Today, we take you straight into the heart of the Dakar Rally 2025, the world's toughest race, where man and machine fight against endless deserts, brutal dunes, and unpredictable terrain. In this video, you will watch the highlights of bikes, trucks, and cars as they battle for glory in the most dangerous motorsport event on earth. The Dakar Rally, often called the ultimate test of endurance, began in 1979. Over the years, it has become the symbol of extreme adventure, a competition not just against rivals, but against nature itself. Drivers and riders cover thousands of kilometers across rocky tracks, sharp dunes, and sudden sandstorms. In 2025, the challenge was no different. Adrenaline, crashes, comebacks, and history in the making. In the bike category, the rally was nothing short of breathtaking. Daniel Sanders from GASGAS Racing displayed incredible speed and consistency. Fighting against legends like Brabec and Toby Price. Each stage brought its own drama, from mechanical failures to high-speed wipeouts in the dunes. But in the end, Sanders' grit and determination earned him the top spot, proving once again why the bikes category is the heart of Dakar.
I was not pushing so much and the crash was not a big crash, but yeah, I feel the pain in the collarbone and it hurt too much to continue.
Lay on the ground and immediately we stopped and we called the helicopter, but he had like a big concussion.
What I threw away, but Dakar comes around every year, so as long as I'm healthy then I can be back next year.
Your body with pain, no? But if you are all okay and continue riding is super good. So yeah, happy for that and
don't push back. Conscience under pressure. Conscience under pressure.
in the next 3 days.
And of course, the giants of Dakar, the trucks, massive roaring beasts, tearing through the dunes with unbelievable power.
Oké jongens, go 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 go. Rustig aan. Allee, gewoon verder dit rondrum.
The Russian powerhouse, Kamaz Master once again proved unstoppable, dominating the category with precision and strength. Rivals from Ivo and Tatra fought bravery, but Kamaz's teamwork and desert experience kept them ahead. Watching these giants machines fly over sand dunes is a sight only Dakar can deliver.
be much quicker. But every day we have to learn something, and usually the hard way.
We were struggling as well a lot with some technical points and also with the navigation, so it was quite of a hard first week.
We're happy that we survived, and we were surprised that we stayed on third position general.
The wheels are changing, that's pretty much it what we are doing, checking and changing everything what we can for the second half. We are here with almost 2 hours lead in a half of Dakar, so yeah, you know, what else to have in the middle of Dakar.
Now I'm 1 year older, so it will be only nice times coming right now for our whole crew. I'm pretty convinced, and the track is pretty fast. I'm looking forward for the next stages.
I think we need to be patient and drive our own pace, because with our pace we cannot close the gap with almost 2 hours. So yeah.
You cannot see like where we gonna go, because there is always the edge down and you don't know what spots below, so it will be very, very interesting for the opening track. Yeah, it will be.
Together. 2 years ago we were fourth, last year third, now second. So next year it needs to happen.
We were kind of
we couldn't do better. We are happy that we are on the podium healthily and with 5 stage victories. That's the maximum.
It was amazing to start all
Not sure, but confident in our results, in our success.
Obviously, really disappointed. We need to stop the race.
Over to the cars, where Saudi hero Yazid Al-Raji gave fans a rally to remember. Driving his Toyota Hilux, he battled tough competitors and unpredictable conditions. Mechanical issues sidelined some of the biggest names, including reigning champions, but Al-Raji's steady pace and strategic brilliance made him the champion, a historic win on home soil. The car category once again showed us the thin line between glory and heartbreak at Dakar. Dakar Rally 2025 had everything: speed, survival, and stories of human resilience. From Daniel Sanders' heroic bike victory to Yazid Al-Raji's emotional car triumph to Kamaz Master's unstoppable power in trucks, this year's rally reminded us why Dakar is called the world's toughest race. Stay tuned with DS Documentary for more motorsport highlights, thrilling stories, and adventures from around the globe. And remember, in Dakar, it's not just about winning, it's about surviving.